Hare Krishna. We are at the home page of Maharaj web page, KRKS.name. So this first video is about logging and some basics and logging out from the page. So the log link is here inside the info section. You can click it and then you will be provided with a form for username and password, which you will get from to be able to administrate the web page. After you enter username and password, you can click login, and then you will be transferred to web page with tools for editing and adding new content to the page. Here you have few main links in navigation, manage, which you will use very rare. Shortcuts, this one you will use very often, and this is the user data link, which you can use to view your profile or edit it or log out or some simple tasks. So for now we will stick with shortcuts. Here there is the add content and all content links. For now we will visit all content link, and here you have the overview of all the content which is entered to web page by you or by some other users as well. Here you can edit content, you can delete it. Probably you will not like to do it, but there is a link for delete. And if you click on edit of some content, here you will see you have few tabs: main tab, source, date, location, info, tags, and everything. We will go through all these tabs in next video. And let's go back to all content. When you add new content, then it will automatically appear on this list at the top of the list. If you want to search for some content which is already at the page from admin point of view, then you can use these filters: content type, lecture group, songs for bhajan, and everything. Little by little you will become friendly with all these tools. And if you want to add new content, then you can use the add content link here at the shortcuts links. There are few contents which you can add here. Mostly, as you can see, if you want to add audio or video lectures, bhajans, articles, galleries, and news, you will use the source content. So more or less almost all content on web page is the source type of content. So we can add new content with source content, and in next video we will go through all these types and everything. But for now we can take a look at this section part. As you can see, there are few types of sources like lectures, bhajans, writings, galleries, news and events. All these types of content are very closely related to the homepage of Maharaj webpage. If we go to homepage, you can see that there is section for lectures, for writings, for bhajans, galleries, news, and also events are among the lectures as well. So if you want any of your new content to appear in these sections of the web page, then at the add content source you can select this section here. So for this first video, just one more thing. At the home page, just like you have all these sections here, lectures, writings, bhajans, news, galleries, if the visitor click at the search page, you can see that there is here the same section, very similar: writings, bhajans, lectures, news, galleries, events. It's very similar to our add content: lectures, bhajans, writing, galleries, news, events. So this search section is actually it is searching all the source contents which we add to Maharaj web page. So that's all for now. In the next video we will go to some adding new content. For now you can go to homepage, and if you want to gracefully leave the administration page, you can go to info, log out now. It is not like very important, but it is nice way to leave the page gracefully. Hare Krishna.